I'm here showcasing some of the equipment at the Arnt construction retirement sale that will be April 9th. Wanted to first highlight some of the beautiful trucks that he's offering here at the sale. 1995 Peterbilt. Just take a look at how beautiful this paint job is on this. The care that Arnt Construction and his guys have put into keeping this equipment like new. The Pre-Emission fleet is well maintained, beautifully cared for, and it's all been kept indoors every night. It's never spent the night outdoors. We've got a C12 here, beautiful condition. And then ending here with this C13, which has been completely overhauled, beautiful shape, ready to go to work. So these trucks, along with really about any other construction equipment you could want, including dozers, scrapers, excavators, and many other fleet trucks, they're available live right now on purplewave.com. We hope you can find some time to come and take a look at this equipment at one of 2 of our open houses, hosting here on site in Hugo, Minnesota on March 26th, and again on April 7th. Hope to see you there.